Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time to unbag the September edition of the Facetory kit. If you are unfamiliar, Facetory is a monthly mask subscription service. It's been sheet masks thus far. That's all I've received, which is amazing because those are my favorite kind. There are two options that you can get for the Facetory kits. What I have here is called the Forever Fresh kit. This is going to come to you each month with 4 masks. Retail on that is going to be $8.90, and that does include shipping now. So they have kind of changed that because it used to be a price plus shipping. Now it's just $8.90 flat, and that includes your shipping. Next up is going to be the Seven-Lux Kit. Now that one is going to come to you in a box. It's going to contain 7 sheet masks, and it also usually contains extra things too, like maybe a brush or something else that you can use along with the sheet mask. Retail on that is $19.90, and that is also going to include your shipping. Also down there below, I'm going to leave a discount code for you. It is an affiliate link. I've said this every month. I'm saying it again. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I need to really get my life together. I have not set up my end for the commission. I haven't given them my PayPal stuff. That's all I have not done yet. Eventually, I will get to that. But I receive no commission off of you using my discount code. But if you do use that code, which is Leyla HA20, you don't have to remember that. I'll leave that down below for you. You will receive 20% off of your first purchase. So it's a pretty good deal, regardless if I make any money off of it or not. So Facetory is located in California, but this is going to focus more on Korean beauty and Korean skincare. What I love the most about Facetory is that they have a marketplace. So the masks that you receive, you can go into the marketplace and you can purchase them. So if you really find something you love, it's really easy to find, which sometimes can be difficult, especially when you're dealing with, K-beauty and things like that. Sometimes it's a little bit harder to track down those products, but they make it so easy for you. The girls there are just fantastic, and I love it. So as I do each month, I'm going to go over the masks that I got last month, let you know what I think about them, and then we'll go ahead and we'll unbag and see what we got this month. So starting off, this was from Facetory's own. This was the first time I'd actually received a face mask from the Facetory brand, and this was the Sundae Soothing Mask. I really liked this mask. It contains, the main ingredients were shea and aloe, and so it was very, very soothing. Also kind of had a cooling, tingling feeling to the skin. So I could definitely see that if you've come in after the sun, this is the mask you want to put on because it's just going to make everything feel cool and tingly. There wasn't too much serum. There was just the right amount of serum, which I love that when they have just the right amount, not too little, not too much, just the right amount. The mask was really nice. It really clung on, and I really did enjoy it. What I'll have to say I think became my absolute favorite mask of the pack was the Aqua Bamboo Black Charcoal Mask. So this was a mask infused with charcoal that was made from bamboo fiber. It was black when you put it on. This mask stuck like a dream. It went on, no sliding, moving, whatever, and I loved this mask. It was super, super duper hydrating and nourishing and moisturizing, but at the same time kind of purifying. It did everything you want a mask to do. This one was really, really, really nice. I really, really did enjoy this, and I will be purchasing more of these. And then we have here the Vitamin Essence Mask from Look at Me. This one was a lemon infused mask. This one says it contained niacinamide to help with hyperpigmentation. And of course, I do suffer from melasma. I just, wear a lot of makeup, so you don't see it as much, but I am very splotchy and very patchy. So I'm always looking for something that's going to help with that. Not that anything really kind of does, but if it can help just a little, I will take it. So this claimed to be brightening and hydrating. I do feel it was very hydrating. Maybe a slightly brightening at the initial onset, but then afterwards, nothing lasting. But again, I don't expect that. I mean, you're looking for a miracle for that. So, I'm not looking for a miracle in a face mask. I'm looking for a good 20 minutes of pampering myself. So it was very pampering. The only thing, though, is this was really off-putting because it smelled like Lemon Pledge. It didn't smell like lemons. It smelled like Lemon Pledge. And so if you know what Lemon Pledge smells like, there's a big difference between lemons and Pledge. And this kind of smelled like Pledge, so it was kind of off-putting. But it was very moisturizing, and I did like the way it made my skin feel. And the last one up, this was the 7-day mask. This was the one with green tea. This was supposed to be for sebum control and peeling, so more suited for like oily type skin. But then it also said peeling, so I'm thinking maybe combo skin is what I was thinking, because maybe where you dry and you flake off. Let me tell you guys, I really loved this mask. The mask fiber was made from eucalyptus, and I could smell the eucalyptus in it, and I love the scent of eucalyptus. So I could definitely smell the eucalyptus, and I could smell the green tea. This was kind of just like a mask that was not only for my face, but for my senses as well. It was just so calming, and I really did enjoy it. Had just the right amount of serum. So this one was really, really good. So that was everything that came in August. Let's go ahead and open up and see what we got for September. So I'm opening it up, and the first thing we have here is our little card, and it looks like just like a little game. It's got like some little pixelation going on here. Talking about fitness, nutrition, me time, and reset. It says happy September and happy fall. I don't celebrate fall. So starting off with our first mask here, this one is actually curated by Facetory once again. So this is the second Facetory brand mask I've got. And this one is a two-stepper. This is the Facetory Whoa That H2O. Whoa That H2O. Show yourself some lovin' by taking care of your skin with our two-step hydrating mask. Using a Cupra sheet, this two-step mask containing an ampule and a sheet mask is packed with ingredients to keep your skin smooth and hydrated. Next up, we have one from Botanic Farms, and I have liked all of the masks I've gotten from Botanic Farms. They're really good. This one is the green tea mask for natural energy sheet mask. Did you know that green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet? So sit back and sip your green tea as you sheet mask away. Next up here, this one is from No HJ, not G this time, HJ Leyla. I've received a mask before from No HJ. It was the lace mask, which was so much fun to wear. This one is the Herbs Fit sheet mask in lavender. Doesn't the sight of lavender just bring you an instant relief? Using lavender extract, an ingredient that promotes good health and well-being, this mask will work to provide relief to sensitive skin. Last one up here we have is the Dear Tea Tree mask. This comes to us from Moksha, or Moksha, I'm not sure how I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this is a mask that has chamomile and witch hazel. Ooh, so it's going to be nice and purifying and toning for the skin. Tea tree is a highly coveted ingredient for its ability to even out your skin tone while also helping to reduce acne or scarring. And so that is it. That is everything that came in the Facetory kit this month. I'm so excited to try all of them, of course. I will try to get all of them used. If you're ever curious how they look and sit on the face, usually, most times when I put on one of the masks, I will post a photo to Instagram to let you know what it kind of looks like as it's sitting on the skin, so you can see like how the eye holes and things fit, because that matters, you know, that's all important information. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And of course, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.